Hey guys, welcome back. We've got a super short video for you today of 4 brand new acrylic powders. First up is the ever so stunning Eve. Of course, anything that represents a unicorn in any way, shape or form is my favourite off the bat. That's just how it goes down, guys. That's what happens. And it is sexy. Look, that is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh. So it shines 2 different colours. So you have one iridescent is like the gold and golden yellow kind of twinges to it. And then when you look at it from a different direction of light, that's when you can see the blues, the pinks, the purples, and so it looks like proper unicorn style. See there, it's full light orange, and then from a different angle you see the blue, purples and pinks. Beautiful. And then this one, ooh, I was like overly ecstatically happy with this because it's just look at that. Just look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was too busy doing that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That I just kind of wiped it off. I'm so heavy-handed. But let's try this again. Look at that. Oh my god. That is sexy as fuck. Yes. Next up is Champagne Charlie. Now, this reminds me of fairy dust, but it is... Fairy dust is a lot more subtle with like a shimmer, whereas these glitter particles are a lot bigger. So the bling in this, like the twinkle really does stand out, like immensely stand out compared to the shimmer collections. Not collections, but you know what I mean, shimmer powders. So this I think looks more of a nude than the fairy dust. Fairy dust looks ever so slightly pink to me. I paired this Champagne Charlie with a set today. I paired it with Naked Attraction, which is one of the new core powders that we have, and it went together absolutely perfect. It is a bit of a basic set, like it's just 2 colours, but I'll put it up anyway, just cause. And then into this one, Twinkle Twinkle, and again exactly the same as Electra and Champagne Charlie, with the amount of sparkle that's in there, but it's got a nice silver base. It doesn't look overly metallic, it looks just about right, you know. It's one of them powders that's, yeah, just gets it right. I think this would end up being my like go-to silver, if I'm honest. It's just so pretty. And as always, I'll put a little video together here for you of all 4 of them. I will link them below, the ones that are available. As always, stay slaying, and I will see you in the next one. Ta-da!